Hey guys and girls, welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, in today's video, we're going to be discussing the new King's Premium Firepit. It's just been released and I just got it in the mail yesterday. So I've got the Premium Firepit here. It's still in the box. Good start to the day. And I also bought the Premium Fire Grill to go with the Premium Firepit. So we're going to do an unboxing, check it out, see what's in the boxes, and we'll go from there. All right, so let's do the unboxing. Okay, here we go. We're just going to get it out of the box. There we go. Look at that. Comes with a bag, which is nice. The bag has Velcro straps on it, which is pretty cool. Has a little pocket there, which is all right. Let's have a look now. I'll open her up. That'd be the base that it hooks onto. Pretty nifty base. Let's have a look at the item that we've actually paid for. They tell me it's stainless steel. I do not know what grade of stainless steel, but it's stainless steel. And it unfolds like that. It's pretty cool. Seems like it's got plenty of air holes and things like that. Now this is just the fire pit itself, so there's no grill or anything like that with this. So this is what you get if you just order the fire pit. So you get the base and you get the pit itself. One thing I can say, it's got nice handles. It's pretty cool. You can pick it up when she's hot. It's got good ventilation. It's got air holes all the way around here and obviously up through the base as well. That's basically your fire pit as you get it if you just buy the fire pit. Pick it up, move it around. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So let's go see what's in the other box, eh? So let's open up the premium grill from King's, eh? That goes with the premium fire pit. Everything's a premium, isn't it, today? So let's have a look at it, eh? Here we go. We'll get rid of the box. It's a steel plate. It's not cast. And it goes in the bottom of the pit, of the fire pit. Okay, so this is that metal plate that we got, and that sits quite comfortably in the bottom of the pit. It's obviously lessened the depth of the pit. This would be for your charcoal that we're going to put into it soon. So if you're cooking, I'd suggest you probably use that, or not. It's completely up to yourself, but I'll be using that with my charcoal. Now we'll just put the grill on. Well, there you go. Grill goes on pretty firm. It's not bad. Just comes off. So you could move your coals around if you wanted to. Pop it back on. Food grade stainless steel, they tell me. It's got 3 settings. So this is the middle one. So let's drop it down one. Let's see what happens. Let's say if you're playing with this grill, you'd want to have your leather gloves on. So that's the premium barbecue plate. So you can take it off and have access to your coals and things. Probably put a billy on there or your camp oven or something like that. So yeah, that's pretty good. So that's the whole package, so to speak. So we've got the basic fire pit and the premium grill to go on it. We're going to pop some coals in here and just see how long they last. We'll give it a time test. I'm not doing any cooking on this. Going to save that for when I finally get out to the bush. All right, so let's put some coals in the fire pit. Okay, we're right. We're nice and safely on the ground here. I've got a full chimney of charcoal to put in there, a little chimney. So let's see how much it actually holds, this fire pit. So she's full and they're ready to go and they're hot. Let's have a crack, eh? There you go. That's a full lot of heat beads or charcoal. It's about half full. It's obviously throwing a fair whack of heat. It's off the ground, so it's nice. Probably because it's the way it's shaped, it's got a nice radiant heat, so it will all concentrate in the centre of the unit itself. Oh, it's throwing a fair whack of heat. Right, so what we'll do now is, I know what time it is. We'll see how long these last. Well, they should last a fair while. And there they go. All right. Don't forget, if you've liked the video so far, hit that like and subscribe button, because it helps the channel no end. It helps me bring these great videos out to you. So we'll wait till it cools down and then we'll pop it in the bag for later on and see if all this will pack up into that bag or not. So that's the King's Premium Fire Pit. So we'll wait for these heat beads to cool down and see if it all fits in the bag. And all right guys, got 2 hours out of the charcoal. I'm pretty happy with that. The pit though, it did cool down really, really quickly, so that's even better. So let's just pack it up and see if it all fit in the bag. I'm sure it will, so let's give this a crack, eh? Look at that, fits like a glove, Velcro up. It's a little bit heavier than the steel one, which is okay. You know, you pay for all these conveniences. So don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.